Hello, fellow alchemists. Welcome back to our series all about Elixir. And this week I wanted to actually go into something that I thought was very interesting. So I was looking through my topics of videos that I want to do, and one of them was one of the libraries from the Nimble series coming from Dashbit. And when I was looking this up, I found that there's another one called Nimble Strftime. Now, I thought this was really great because one of the things I think lacking in Elixir, at least what I think should be in a standard library, is using the Strftime. I know for sure Ruby has it. I used to use it quite a lot. And what I used to fall back on is basically the timex library. So the timex library has got a fantastic bunch of things. So if you ever need to work a lot with dates and date times and time zones, etc., timex I think is really, really fantastic. And but what I do is that a lot of the time I just have to display the time in a nice little format on a web page for people. And sometimes I actually just bring in timex just to do that, because there's actually nothing in Elixir at that time when I was looking. And so I wanted to kind of go over that library over here. And so if we go over to the code over here, we'll see that what I went ahead and did is I just created a simple naive datetime. And using the Strftime module, of course, you can just give it the whatever you have, a time, datetime, whatever, and you can actually format it. So there's this C section. So I'm just going to run up the console and show you guys. If I do format date dot full datetime, you'll see we have something a little bit more standard, kind of to European style, outside US, I would say. And then there's going to be American style, which is more of what I'm used to. So you have the date, and you have AM and PM. So it's pretty cool. And what else is quite cool about this library is that you have some couple other extra features you can do. I can't remember all of the different options, but I wanted to kind of demonstrate one of them. And one of them is this AM PM. So what you can actually do, so if I go ahead and run this, so we're just going to show out some custom time. I can actually replace the PM and show back, in the evening instead of saying PM directly. So I thought this is actually quite cool, right? You can really be quite unique for when you want to format dates and times. Now, something else I've found, which I thought was quite interesting, is that since Elixir 1.11, which is the current version out, they actually added this in. So I'm going to show you also how you can use this. So now you don't have to even bring this in anymore. You could just use directly. There's a calendar module that actually has this. I'm going to show you how you can do that. So literally, what I could tell is the only thing you need to do is change this to be calendar. So I'm going to go ahead and change this over here. So we're using calendar module, and they have a Strftime function. And so if we run this, and I'm going to do format date, full date time, and you see everything basically will work exactly the same, even the custom. So I think this is really amazing, and I'm actually quite happy that this is actually within the standard library. So now we don't have to pull in a specific library just when we want to display dates and times in a specific kind of format. So to me, this is kind of like a hidden feature of Elixir that I never knew about until now. So until next time, this is Alan from Plangora. Please subscribe if you haven't. I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.